Do you ever wonder if leadership really has to be hard? I mean, why do we always hear about leaders burning out, getting overwhelmed, or feeling like they're carrying the weight of the world? Is leadership supposed to be like that? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tony, and today we're diving into a big question. Does leadership have to be hard? The honest answer is no, it doesn't have to be hard. In fact, today I'm going to share with you a few reasons why leaders can feel hard and what you can do to make it easy and more rewarding. Alright, first of all, why does leadership even feel hard in the first place? Well, think about it. As a leader, you're responsible for a lot. You have a team to manage, decisions to make, goals to reach. All of that and even more can be a lot of pressure for you. Sometimes leaders feel like they have to do everything themselves. You're worried that if you make one mistake, it's all going to fall apart. You are constantly putting out fires and dealing with team conflicts or juggling way too many things at once. Here's the thing. A lot of the challenges in leadership come from how we think about leadership. Many of us enter leadership thinking that we need to have all the answers and be perfect and solve every single problem that comes our way. But let me tell you, that's exhausting. Leadership is not about perfection. Leadership is about growth. So, instead of stressing out every time something goes wrong, try seeing each challenge as a chance to learn and grow. When you approach leadership with a growth mentality or mindset, knowing you are not supposed to have all the answers, it takes off a lot of the pressure that you are having. Now let's talk about some practical things you can do to make leadership easier. Because the truth is, it doesn't have to feel like this endless grueling battle. So first, keep learning. Keep learning. The more you develop yourself as a leader, the more confident you become in handling tough situations. So, read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, whatever helps you to grow, do that. And then secondly, don't do it alone. You know, leadership doesn't have to be a solo job, something that you do alone. Build a support network of people you can trust or you can lean on, mentors, peers, even your own teammates. You don't have to have it all figured out alone. And then thirdly, prioritize yourself. I know it might sound obvious, yet unfortunately, it isn't. You can't lead effectively if you're always running on empty. No. Take time to recharge. Even small breaks to breathe or relax can make a huge difference in how you show up as a leader. One of the most important things I've learned is that leadership isn't always about working hard. It's about working smarter. And trust me when I say this, because I was a hard worker and not a smart worker. Leaders that work smart build systems. They empower others, but also trust the people around them. Listen, leadership can be fulfilling, even fun. Yeah, all you have to do is stop trying to control everything and start focusing on growing with your team and not just you alone. Remember, leadership is a journey, not a destination. You will face challenges, but they don't have to be overwhelming for you. Let me give you an example. Think about Richard Branson, the guy who started Virgin Group, which has over 400 companies across the world. He didn't get to do that by controlling every little thing by himself. Instead, he focuses on trusting and empowering the people he works with. He gives them the freedom to make decisions. He's also not afraid to fail. In fact, he sees mistakes as a chance to learn and grow. What makes Branson really stand out is that he believes work should be fun. He creates a positive and exciting environment, and that attitude spreads to everyone on his team. Branson shows us that leadership isn't about having all the answers. It's about inspiring others, trusting your team, and enjoying the process together. It's all about creating a balance. It's all about leading with confidence and giving yourself and your team space to grow, make mistakes, and learn. So, to answer the big question, does leadership have to be hard? No, not at all. Yes, there will be tough moments, but if you approach leadership with the right mindset, if you keep learning, if you lean on others and take care of yourself, it doesn't have to feel impossible. Thanks for watching, and remember, leadership doesn't have to be a struggle. You've got this.